Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your suspended Clubhouse account. So let's start. If your Clubhouse account is suspended, then you will not be able to access your account via the app. Now what you have to do is close the app and open a browser. You have to go to this address. I will leave this website URL on the video description. So go to this link from here. Now you have to enter your email address, then your username, which is your Clubhouse handle. Then you have to choose a topic. Tap on the drop-down and select My Account and Profile. Then a second drop-down will appear. Tap on that. Scroll to the bottom and select Suspension Appeal. Now you have to summarize your problem. Then you have to type in your problem with description. When you are done, you can attach files and then tap Submit. And Clubhouse support team will contact you within a few days. It is not mentioned how many days they will take. There is another way to contact, and you can email them at support@joinclubhouse.com. And that's how you can fix your suspended Clubhouse account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.